We are going to talk about the circle itself. Okay, so basically circle should contain this element, which is first the middle point. Okay, this will be the midpoint, which is the center of any circles, will be denoted as O. And then the circle should also contain what we call as the radius. Okay, so this will be the radius. So radius means the line or the distance between the midpoint and what we call as circumference. Okay, which is the circumference. Okay, so circumference is basically the total, the line, or basically what do we call, the length that actually engulfing the circle itself. Okay, so this whole thing, okay, is called circumference. Okay, so and then we should also have the diameter. Okay, this is what we call as diameter. So basically diameter, what is diameter? Okay, so diameter is basically the length from one circumference to another. Okay, and it must pass through the middle point here. Okay, so this is what we call as diameter. And finally, we also has a thing called the chords. Okay, so this will be the chords. Okay, so chords basically means a distance between one circumference to another, but it did not pass through the middle point here, right here. Okay, so these are the elements that we have. Okay, so later we are going to talk about the theta, or the angle that is consisting inside this circle, and also the arc. Okay, so let's say for example we have a midpoint right here. Okay, so say we have two radius right over here. So we have two radius. Okay, in the middle of this radius we should have the things called theta, which is the angle, okay, in between these two radius here. And in here we should have what we call as the arc. Okay, the arc. Okay, this is what we call as arc. Okay, so now we will discuss about the formula. So what is the circumference? Just now we are talking about the circumference. Okay, so what is basically the formula of circumference? Okay, circumference, we will take the what do we call, pi times with the diameter. So it is pi d. So this is the formula for circumference. Okay, next we're going to talk about the area of circle. So the area will be pi multiply with the square of radius, so which is pi r square. Okay, so this is the area of a circle. Okay, and then when we discussed earlier, we are talking about the arc over here. So there is also a formula for arc. So arc formula, basically we're gonna take the theta over 360 times with pi d. Okay, so a little bit explanation about arc. Okay, what does it mean by arc actually? So we're gonna redraw again. Okay, let's say we have a little portion here. Okay, it's just like you are eating a pizza, yeah. Okay, so let's say for example this is a theta. Okay, so this will be your S. As you can see, the whole thing here will be your, this is S, yeah? This will be your circumference. Okay, but now as you can see, S is only part of this circumference. Okay, so that means arc or S is basically part of circumference. Okay, arc is the part of the circumference. Okay, so that's it about arc, about radius, about diameter, and so on. These are the basics in a circle that you need to remember. Okay, so thank you.